An important skill at workplaces, estimation and forecasting. Many of us estimate based on our understanding. If you have a good understanding of statistical estimation methods, then you're able to make more accurate estimates. However, not everybody has a deep understanding of statistics. This is where Excel makes it very easy for you. Let's take a look at this with few examples. The first thing we will look at is the forecast function. If you look at this data, we have a data for the span of 15 months. Based on this data, we need to make a prediction for the number of units the company is likely to sell in October 2024. If you look at this data, you can make an estimate relatively easily. There is a steady increase in the values, and one would get the value to be close to 48,000 by the time we hit October 2024. However, when we move to the next sheet, it becomes difficult to predict based on this data. It is very difficult to identify a trend just by looking at the data. In such cases, the forecast function helps. So let's go back to the first sheet and write the forecast function. As I write the forecast function, I get these options. I will select forecast.ets. ETS stands for exponential smoothing. For the first parameter, target date, I will provide October 2024, as we need to make a projection for this date. For values, which is the next parameter, I will provide the values of units sold. And for timeline, we will provide Jan 23 to March 24. And we get a little above 48,300. Our initial estimate was close to 48,000, which is not too far. Now let's move to the next sheet. Here it is very difficult to take a guess. Now let's see what does the forecast function return. I will write forecast.ets. The first parameter is the target date of October 24. Values is the data in units sold. And finally the time period. And we get the value as 55,410. So that's how the forecast function works. Now, in case we want to predict over a range of time, then we can use the forecast chart utility of Excel. Now, this utility is only present in the Windows version of Excel. It's not there in the Mac version at the time of recording this video. I will select the data and go to Data menu. Click on Forecast Sheet. Select the forecast end date. I can even customize the result based on these optional settings. And when satisfied, click Create. A new sheet is created with the data and the chart. The graph in blue color is the data that we already had. The one in orange is our estimate. The thin lines are the upper and lower confidence bounds, and the thicker orange line is the estimated value. And not just for the targeted month, it gives an estimate for all the months in between too. So that's how you use the forecast sheet option. As you can see, it's very simple. That's it for this video. Hope this was useful for you. Thanks for watching.